Hi everyone, I'm Klaus Merman, Head of Partnership Solutions Engineering here at Beacon. I wanted to show a couple of new tools that make it easier to get up and running with Beacon's CME plugin. These allow you to set up and configure the plugin to retrieve data. Let's start by going to the App Store in case you haven't installed the plugin yet. You'll find it in the Market Data category. Let's click on the plugin, and then here we'll do a domain install for which your user account will need either App Store or infra-admin roles. Once you've clicked install, you can hop over to the IDE and check it out. The CME plugin is deployed as an App Store repo, so you can look at the code and check out the examples for querying data. We've now added 3 apps built using Beacon's new wizard framework, which makes it easier to get more out of the plugin. First of all, let's F9 to open the configuration wizard. This pops up a dialog box where you can enter your CME datamine credentials. I'll leave it blank as I've already saved them in this demo environment, but once you're done, you can then click the Validate button and it will pull the credentials from Beacon's Vault and run a simple data query to confirm everything's working properly. Next, we'll use the Setup CME Intraday Collector app to set up the CME symbols we'd like to download data for using a daily Bob job. Either enter or paste in the symbols you want, and the wizard will create the Bob job config for you. You'll need to come out of the wizard to check in the Bob config file from the IDE and recompile the jobs to pick up your changes. After that, the job will run on a daily basis. But what about backfilling data? Yes, there's a wizard for that too. Again, pick the tickers you want, select a data range and hit the Run button. You'll see a rolling log as the wizard kicks off and runs a distributed set of queries on WIMP. Remember, this is for intraday trade data, so a week's worth of history, say for crude oil, can be over 500,000 data points. We can check the data either in Beacon Browser, it'll be in the real-time or RT time series folder, or we can chart it using Beacon Plot. Finally, we can open up a Jupyter notebook and use that to query the data using the Datamine plugin, and then from there you can again plot it or perhaps use it for backtesting a trading strategy.